Want to add a personal touch to your Revolut 18 card? Customizing your card can make it uniquely yours. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally customize your Revolut 18 card. To customize your Revolut 18 card, open the Revolut app and ensure you're logged into the Revolut 18 profile. Navigate to the Cards section. Here you'll see your physical and virtual cards. If customization options are available for your Revolut 18 card, you'll typically find an Edit, Design, or Customize option when you tap on the specific card. This might allow you to change the color, choose a pre-designed pattern, or sometimes even add a personal engraving, though the latter might be for specific premium tiers. Finally, select your preferred customization and confirm your choice. If you've ordered a new physical card with a custom design, it will be produced and shipped to you. And there you have it. Customizing your Revolut 18 card makes it unique. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.